Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I know we have the tow truck running in the background, so you're probably hearing that, but hopefully you can hear my voice over that. Today we're going to work on this Chevy Malibu, and we're going to change this part right here. And this is the main fuse that goes on the battery, and the reason why we're changing it is because they jumped the car wrong and blow the fuse. So if you give somebody a jump and then you come in your car to crank your car and your car doesn't want to start, you might even think it's the starter because it's going click. So if somebody jump your car wrong, you just need to open the hood. Once you open the hood like this, you can check the fuses here to make sure all is good. Catch where you take off these fuses from, put them back the same way. So I'm going to show you how you're going to check for that also. So you want to get your test light, put it on the negative since we're touching the positive, so it should light up. Link will be in the description for all the tools I use. So you want to put over here, put on this side, check this side, check this side, because your fuse connection is run under here. So check here, check here, check here, check here, check here, check here. So you check here and you check right here. You notice you don't get no light. You get light here, you get light here, so no light there. So the fuse that's in here is broken, so we need to change the whole complete fuse box on here. So once again, check this right here, light right here, light right here, light right there, light right here, no light right here. So we got to change this right here. So that's what we have right here, and the parts numbers, it's right, get it to focus. So it's not focusing, so hopefully you can see that right there. So it's not focusing, but I will leave the part number in the description down below. And what we're going to need to disconnect the negative cable first, 10mm. So I'm going to go ahead and get that 10mm and disconnect the negative cable. Alright guys, so 10mm negative cable first. Take that off, hide it away, so tuck it away so it don't come back up and come in contact with that. So now we can go ahead and remove our positive cable. Once that is free, you can go ahead and rock that off. So next thing we're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver to release this clip down here and push down on it. I don't know if you, here you go. Get some light down there for you guys. So this clip, you just pull it back, push down on it, and it will come off like this. So that's how you take it off. Remember where you take it off from. I got it from the first 1, 2, 3. So we got these 3 we take them off from, and they're also color coded so you can see the color right on the parts itself. So now we're going to remove these 2 right here. So we're going to get the tools for that also. Alright guys, so it looks like it's going to be 13mm. So they are 13mm. The link will be in the description for all the tools we need to do this. So just a simple socket set can take care of this job right here. and also a test light to make sure your fuse is bad before you change that. So before you go out changing your starter, make sure you check this first, or even your alternator. Make sure you check this first. Down here we have another switch right here. We gotta just pull back like this. So this one is broken. It looked like somebody been in here too, but this one will work. This is the old part, this is the new part. So the part number is 812461952. That is the part number. And go ahead and get this, plug this back in right here. It's connected right here. Alright, so guys, over here you just got to make sure you connect the velvet with the velvet, because it marked on it, so it's color coded for you guys, which is H. And then you gotta control the color is curry, that's what it named, and the other color is pink. So you just want to make sure you connect them like they're supposed to, and you won't have any problem. So just make sure they're locked tight. Seems to lock tight. You can go ahead, place this down properly, and you can also tighten this down. So that's good. This come loose on here, so you can go ahead and tighten that down also. And then we can put on our negative cable. Once that's on, you can go ahead and do a double check of the fuses to show you what I was talking about. So we have power here, power here, power, 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 and power. So now you see that everything is good. Alright, so let's go ahead and crank the car up. Inside, foot on the brakes. Yo! Alright guys, so I had to cut the video just now because my boss was calling me. But let's get into it. So there you go, crank right up. And let's see if we have any codes. Only code we have is the tire lights that's flashing. Car didn't come here for that. And the so we change it, it's cranked up. That's how you change your main fuse. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out, see you next time. So yeah guys, just make sure you cover this if you have this, cover this if you have this. Unfortunately, this is how this car come. I'm off to tell the customer, wherever you have this, just go ahead and cover it back. The new fuse didn't come with this cap to cover the fuse, but that's it for this one guys. Peace out, see you next time. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together.